chako chenro mageto chiwo puonj ma kedo kod njore pachoka. Chenrono ma chiwo puonj ma bende geto jolendo kod jolony mopogore opogore biro timore e boma ma Nairobi. Major General Mohamed Nur Hassan en jalup komanda ma jolweny.
This advanced level training is a progression from the foundational counter-terrorism financing and anti-money laundering courses delivered earlier in April and August this year. It is designed to deepen your operational understanding of sophisticated laundering tactics, cross-jurisdictional financial manipulations, and the exploitation of both formal and informal financial systems by terrorist networks. The program integrates doctrinal knowledge with real-world case studies, simulations, and practical application. Its ultimate aim is to enhance your capacity to detect, analyze, disrupt, and dismantle illicit financial networks before they generate operational effect.